Hello, sixth grade innovation students. I just have a couple really quick tips for you today that will help with when you're ready to use your Cameo Cutter silhouette software. Okay, so I've got stuff that I wrote here. I'm just going to show you a couple really quick things. I had words here, but like before, I'm going to go to my view here. We want to make sure that when we're printing something, it's appropriately sized. If you remember way back in the beginning, when you look here at the sizing, the stuff that we're going to use, we have a sheet that is 12 by 12. That's what you get to use. But this is really big right here. If this entire thing is 12 by 12, this takes up a lot of space. So what I'm going to show you is how to make it more reasonably sized. If I click to highlight, I clicked and dragged everything. First of all, putting it right in the middle of the sheet kind of wastes vinyl on either side. So even though we're going to practice it first with a piece of paper, if you can click and drag it after you've clicked to highlight it all, when you grab a corner, you can make it much smaller. Now this is still big. This is still 2.5 by 5 inches. That's a pretty big vinyl sticker. But when I make it really big, it uses up a lot of space. So this is a good idea to consider putting it here. That way you have extra vinyl if you want to use it for something else later. Finally, let's say you've got this and you like the way it looks and you want to actually attach it to your Cameo cutter. Well, when you've attached it, you need to tell the program that you want to print it. That's where this button right here comes in handy. This button says send to silhouette, and when you look on the right side, as long as you plugged in your USB cord, you'll be able to see the picture of your cutter. It'll always take a minute to find it, and then you can print it to there. Notice on the left as well on the picture, when I get something that I want to cut out, the part that is red and fluffy is the part that does get cut out. So when you're looking at your picture, it's always a good idea to send it to and look to make sure that everything's going to be highlighted. All right, hope that was helpful.